Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today's your first time of seeing me on YouTube, or if today's your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you, gorgeous ladies. In today's video, I have a beautiful remedy that I will love to share with you. This remedy is very brilliant for your skin. The remedy is very cheap, okay, and it contains a lot of natural minerals and natural vitamin in this remedy. Okay, this remedy will help you to get rid of unwanted oil, large pores, acne. You can also find it in your kitchen. This remedy help you. Please continue to subscribe, share my video with your friends, with your neighbor. Comfort or you can find it in any grocery shop. You can get it in any supermarket for penny. So I would like to bring you along with me to my kitchen, where I'm going to demonstrate how you are going to mix and
put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
the first ingredients we are going to be using, banana peel. As you can see it on my thumbnails. We all know all the vitamins and the minerals that the banana peels contain. Sorry guys, I need to get rid of that. So we don't need the banana, we only need the peel. Okay guys, so we actually need the inside of the banana peel. So the inside of banana peel will get rid of any dark spots. It contains a lot of vitamins, a lot of nutrients that our skin need, and it's very good for dry skin. If you want to light, you are trying to tone your skin, banana peel and coconut milk together, they are the best ingredients. And you can store it in your fridge. So never mind when the banana is in this color, it's ready to heat. It's the sugar there that we really actually need. And then the good news, you can store it in the fridge. Store it in your fridge. This can last at least for 1 week. When it's finished, then you continuation. So the second ingredient we are going to be using, so you have to get a crystal soap. So we need crystal soap. So the crystal soap is just like a glycerin. It's very good for dry skin, and it's also very good to brighten up the skin. So I usually mix it like this. So if you want to make inquiry how to get the crystal soap, please let me know. Leave the comments below. I will 100% get back to you. So this is it. So you need a coconut almond milk. You need a coconut almond milk. So you need a tablespoon of coconut almond milk. So you mix them together. So you apply this to your skin. Your skin will be soft like baby skin, and this will help you to get rid of the dark skin, and this will tone your skin for you, will soft your skin. You don't have to put it, you don't have to warm it in the microwave, or so this is the consistency you need. So you can store it in the bathroom or you can store it in the fridge. Okay, this lasts months, so you can see it. So you apply it all over your face, so all over your face and your legs, and you leave it for 30 minutes. It depends. If you're a sensitive skin person, you remove it immediately with lukewarm water. So it's going to be foam. It's very good for face mask. It's very good for, it's also good for it's also good for face mask as well. So you continue to use it and you will see change. So this is what I find, and this has been so helpful for me. So we get rid of acne, it will tighten up all the open pores, it will make your skin look fair, it will tone your skin, it will make your skin look like a baby skin, soft, glowing and crystal. Help you to brighten up your skin. You will have a soft and toned skin. So guys, I will leave you with this. If this helped you, continue to share my video and hit the subscribe button and click the notification button as well. So I will leave you with this. Thank you guys. Bye for now.